ASMR Lab. Tonight, everything moves slowly. There is no rush, no noise, and no expectations. Just the quiet glow of beautiful room where every tiny sparkle has a story to tell. Imagine stepping into a peaceful crystal studio. The marble floor shines softly beneath your feet, and gentle light dances across thousands of tiny diamonds resting quietly around a magnificent crystal bowl. The air feels calm, cool, and comforting. In the center of the room, wait a bowl filled with peaceful, clear, silky cosmetic wax. It is smooth like glass, reflecting every tiny sparkle that surrounds it. Nothing has disturbed its surface yet. It is waiting patiently. Nearby, four beautiful crystal bottles rest together, each holding its own magical color. The first bottle carries a soft, creamy foundation, warm and comforting like the first morning light. The second holds the delicate pink blush, glowing gently like flower petals touched by the sunrise. The third bottle shines with a deep shimmering teal, sparkling like a hidden jewel beneath calm ocean water. The fourth bottle glows with a radiant crystal highlighter, catching every ray of light like tiny stars floating in the night sky. Each bottle has traveled from a different corner of this magical place, beginning its color, it, its own beauty, and its own quiet story. Elegant hands appear moving slowly, gracefully. Every movement is careful, gentle, and peaceful. The beautiful nails shimmer softly, reflecting the same colors carried inside the crystal bottle as the room itself painted them with light. The first bottle is lifted very slowly. The cap turns. A soft steam begins to flow. A creamy foundation glides into the crystal wax, creating beautiful circles that spread wider and wider. They move gently across the surface like calm ripple on the quiet lake. Nothing in hurdle. Every wave is peaceful. The room becomes even quieter. Tiny reflection dance across the crystal bowl, and every moment seems almost weightless. Soon the second bottle is lifted. The rosy color flows gently into the wax. Beside the first, the two colors greet each other and with kindness, never rushing, never competing. They simply exist together, creating elegant ribbons that slowly drift across the shining surface. Somewhere beyond the crystal windows, the world continues to move, but inside the room, time feels different. Every breath becomes slower, every sound becomes softer, every thought becomes lighter. Now, the shimmering deal begins its graceful journey into the bowl. It twists gently through the soft grass already resting there, creating beautiful marble rivers that sparkle colors and quiet light. Finally, the glowing crystal lighter joins each other. Its luminous stream catches every reflection surrounding the colors